Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video, I will show you one of the easiest way to use aloe vera on your hair for faster extreme hair growth. So definitely you need your aloe vera plant, fresh aloe vera plants. So I'm removing the part that is not needed. So after removing the parts, I will now dash the aloe vera in small sizes. After dicing the aloe vera, I'll put it in water to wash it thoroughly. I wash mine twice because my aloe vera is dead. After washing it twice, I will now soak it for 30 minutes so that yellow liquid will go out of the aloe vera, because that yellow liquid is not good to our hair. It's called scalp irritation. So after 30 minutes, this is my aloe vera ready to bring out the gel. I will open it into equal parts so that I can able to get the gel out. You can never go wrong with aloe vera plants. Aloe vera plant is very easy to prepare. What we are preparing now is living in condition for extremely super healthy hair growth. Aloe vera plant is very good to our hair. It helps our hair to grow. So please watch this video to the end, because I will be listing out the benefit of this aloe vera plant in our hair towards the end of this video. After I bring out the aloe vera, this is the gel that I bring out. I'm trying to show you the leaf. So after then, I will put it in my blender to go and blend it off camera. After blending it, it's not necessary that you must blend it. If you don't have blender, you can extract it and use your spoon or whatever to match it and extract the juice out. Or you can open the aloe vera in half, use it and be rubbing your hair. So it's not that if you don't have blender, you don't need to stress yourself out. You can still make use of this aloe vera. So after then, I'll put it in my chief cloth to shift the aloe vera out so that I will not have any particles on my hair. So I'm trying to show you the chaff that I extract out. So after that, I will transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. I'll put this my coconut oil. I'll put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you have any other carrier oil, feel free to use. If you have essential oil, feel free to use it. So after putting my 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil, I will shake it very well before using. Application time. See my hair. I want to use this thing to moisturize my dry mini twins. Use this aloe vera gel to moisturize your hair, whether protective style or not protective style. It's very moisturizing and very hydrating to our hair. It also promotes hair growth. So let's talk about the benefit of this aloe vera plants in our natural hair. Aloe vera plants help repair dead skin cell on the scalp. It also acts as a great condition and leave your hair all smooth and shine. It promotes healthy hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hair. This is the benefit of aloe vera. You see that is great. Reducing itching on your scalp, yes, but for you to get that benefit of reducing itches on your scalp, don't just cut your aloe vera and start using it. Put it in water to stay there for 30 minutes or 20 minutes or even an hour, so that to get out that yellow liquid. If you don't get out that yellow liquid in your aloe vera, if you use aloe vera, you still have itchy scalp. If it's your itchy scalp, if you already have itchy scalp, you may even increase the inky scalp. So I'll use and hydrate my hair very well, moisturize my after use my aloe vera, hydrate the hair. I'll use my conditioner to moisturize, to see in the moisture. So use this to moisturize your hair 2 times in a week, twice weekly or once weekly. You will see growth on your hair. Yes, aloe vera really helps promote healthy hair growth. It grow your hair a lot. So I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to my channel. If you are new in this channel, welcome. I welcome you to this channel. In this channel, you will love it here. This channel is all about how to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank. Please don't make it your last. Please subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. Feel free to join the family. Thank you for doing that. My returning subscribers, I love you so much. You guys are the real MVP. I love you so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. Are you see that coil? Are you see that pumping coil? Oh my goodness. Aloe vera juice is very good. You cannot go wrong in using aloe vera juice. Like as I said earlier this video, that this is one of the easiest way to use aloe vera juice. There are several ways you can use aloe vera juice to grow your hair. There is several ways. If you have not tried aloe vera juice on your hair, sis, you are missing a lot. Give it a try and you'll never regret doing it. My hair is super moisturizing, super soft, super hydrating. So after now, I will massage my scalp. Massaging is very important so that all the moisture can penetrate very well to your hair and also help blood circulation and make our hair get more thicker. I hope you enjoyed this video. This will be closing today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.